My name is Dave Curtis. I'm a bartender, been bartending since 1980, and this is how you pour drinks. These are jiggers. They're measured jiggers. This is a ½ an ounce on this side. This is 3/4 of an ounce on that side. That's an ounce on this side, and this is an ounce and a half. There's also 2 ounces. There's an ounce and a quarter. There's 1 ounce over here too. Okay, so let's start pouring, putting it into a glass where we can't see what's in the glass because it's not see-through, and just do it by the method that bartenders do, or should be doing properly, and practicing at home or on the job, whichever is available, if not both, every day. A little bit of a tune-up. It's just bartender pours a ½ an ounce. Now, without looking, bartender pours 3/4 of an ounce. Again, without looking, being able to chit-chat with the customers, bartender can pour an ounce. And then finally, when the customer gets the last drink, part of the drink, it has to be poured an ounce and a half, which in this case is right there dead on. So you see, this is the way a real bartender, and if you can see that surface, we're up there on all of these just the way they should be. So in order to serve more quickly, do it by yourself. You don't need to have another bartender there. If you're able to serve twice as fast because you're not dealing with this one-handed operation all the time, you're able to hold 2 bottles and work with 2 bottles at once all night long, there's no need to have another person on the payroll. You can handle the whole bar by yourself, and what that means is you get more tips. When you get more tips, you're happier. The owner doesn't have to pay the payroll out. You're saving the owner a lot more money than having somebody there who can't pour accurately, and there's far less chance of any lawsuits coming about, and if they do, far less chance of losing the lawsuit. So thanks for listening, and give it a shot. Talk to you later.